Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver. I know that many of you in the state of California are extremely frustrated that you cannot get through the phone lines to get a customer service representative. And many of you are extremely frustrated once you do get through because you are hung up on or met with help that isn't actually helpful. Many of you have long-term issues that have not yet been resolved and just need more help. So I want to reiterate to you guys, as I have said in many of my videos, that it's extremely important that you contact your assembly member to get additional help. They are going to be able, in most cases, to act as a liaison between you, the claimant, and the EDD. In most cases, they will be able to follow up with the EDD and follow up with you as well. Now, I understand that many of you may not see this as a necessary step, but if you can't get through to the EDD, or if you're having problems that just aren't getting resolved, and you're not simply just waiting for an extension or waiting for something to process, you need that additional help, calling your assembly member can be extremely helpful in pushing things through with your claim. Now, many of you don't know how to locate your assembly member, so I wanted to provide a very brief video showing you exactly how you can locate them. Now, in order to find your assembly member, you're going to go to findyourrep.legislature.ca.gov. This is for the state of California, so this is only going to be applicable to California EDD claimants. Now, you're going to go to this website, you are going to enter in your California address, and then you're going to click the locate button. Now you're going to go ahead and type in your information for your address, and then what is going to pop up next is going to be your assembly member and your state senator. Click on your assembly member and it's going to take you over to their website. Now, some assembly members may have a direct link for EDD information on their site, and if they do not, then you can just click their contact me information. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.